Hey friends, got a really nice one today for everybody. It's a 2023 Corvette Z06. This car is unbelievable. Looks like the Batmobile. Huge MSRP window sticker, 173. I haven't seen one that high before. This car has it all. It's one owner, clean Carfax, all the books, window sticker, everything. 8,400 miles. This car has the carbon fiber wheels, $12,000 option. It's got the carbon aero kit, which you see with the diffusers and the big wing in the back. Very nice. It's got the Z06 Ultimate Performance Package. It's got the Z07 suspension package, carbon fiber interior. It's got custom override interior where the person who built this car decided that he wanted to do not two-tone door panels but just two-tone seats. So that's an override you can see on the sticker. It's got red stitching, beautiful target top, heads-up display. Beautiful car. It's got the front lift system, heated and cooled seats. Absolutely gorgeous. I've got a picture of the window sticker in the gallery. Take a look at that and look at all the options. I didn't name everything, but it's loaded up. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Absolutely beautiful in here. Got all the keys, books, everything comes with the car new. Those two-tone seats look beautiful. Headliner with the red stitching, that's an upgrade. Got the rear vision camera. Very nice. I haven't seen one built like this online. Truly unique car here. No accidents, clean Carfax. It was fully ceramic coated. We have the receipts for that, as well as full PPF. It's been done on this car, so complete PPF. Not a shred of damage or anything on this car. The spoiler is perfect. Very well cared for. Give us a call, text, email. We can do deals long distance. We can ship this car enclosed anywhere in the US. If you have a bank that you'd like to work with, we can do that, work with any bank. If you need a bank or a suggestion, give us a call. Got some people that we work with that we really like. Good rates. Full carbon interior. It's got the Bose Performance sound system. Truly amazing car. Really beautiful. It's bone stock. No performance changes or anything. Really neat car. Hope to hear from somebody on this one. Video's going a little long. Call, text, or email us. Check out all the pictures on the website. We've got everything. Talk to you soon.